But you have to put that on YouTube all the time?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got to be public.
Okay. This is 654. Am I ready?
Yep.
Okay. 654-238. Kyrie Deshaun Hunt. Ms. Voigt?
Yes, Your Honor. I believe my client's in custody.
Is he in? I hadn't seen it.
I thought he got picked up recently
Let
for
me
bond violation.
give me. Two more seconds. No, I still see him as a fugitive. Let me look at booking in case
Oh,
he's on another case. If he picked up something else, then that would be,
no, I thought he got picked up on your case. I could be wrong.
no, he has not gotten picked up yet at all, Ms. Voigt.
We were trying to get him into the veterans program, but he was having trouble paying conditions for his monitor.
Okay.
Last he and I talked, he was in communication with me.
Well, what we do with these kind of cases?
Well, Your Honor, as if she has communication with him, if there's been a violation, then the main thing, I think, is the judge wanting them to see if they can work something out as soon as possible with that. Because we will still do a plea if they have a active warrant, because they're on Zoom, and we can, at that point, he can work, they plea in and that's resolved. The warrant is resolved.
So do you have any communication with your client?
I did up until the warrant came out. I could try and reach out to him again, make sure the phone had been disconnected.
Well, let's just reset this for a week and see if you can make contact, and we'll report back at that time, see what happened.
Okay,
Ms.
and I've
Floyd?
been trying to get information on the vets program, and I haven't gotten any response yet from your administrator.
Chris?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you're talking to the person that you need to talk to.
Yes, I've sent you a couple of emails. I'm trying to get information to see if my client would be appropriate for the program.
Who's your client, ma'am?
It is Tyree Hunt.
With Mr. Hunt, we've seen the emails. We've attempted to reach out to your client. We've sent multiple emails and have had no reply. So he's been, I don't want to say moved to the back burner, but
I understand.
definitely kind of failing on his end to get back in touch with us if he's.
Can you send me a copy of something that you've sent to him so I can remind him or make sure that the email's correct? Are you communicating with him by email?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you just copy me with that so that I can also, communicate with that?
Yes, ma'am. I'll generate an email with all the past attempts, and I'll send them over to you as soon as we're done on docket.
Okay, thank you.
Now, may I ask Ms. Voigt, do you know whether he is on a PR bond or a commercial bond?
I think it's a PR bond.
Okay. I could also send you the contact information for the pretrial manager. She's the one that seems to be answering. And that way you could ask, they may have a different number or something. I mean, obviously at this point, maybe they have something that you don't, to contact information.
Yeah, I'm certainly, I'll include
Or
that.
maybe a family member, they may have something. So I will send you her information.
I just know he was struggling financially
Sure. Okay.
with
Well,
all his conditions.
I'll send you her name and information. Way maybe you can get some more contact stuff. Okay.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ms. Boyd, I
Yes,
sent another
sir.
email regarding one of your clients. So yes, we can confirm more. I'll just request those documents, okay? It's
Which
regarding
documents?
regarding Mr. Rios's case. I just sent you a second email.
Oh, I just talked to him. He said he hired somebody.
Oh, okay. Well,
So I'm backing out of it until I know more.
okay. Well,
I told
thanks for
him his
letting me know.
attorney needed to get in touch with the court and with me.
Okay,
I haven't heard anything.
all right. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am, you may. Thank you.
Okay, Your Honor, we've got a couple attorneys that have come in that are 3 o'clockers.
Well, let's take care of them.
Okay,
Who do we have?
George Maddening on Bradley Crabtree.
Hi, good afternoon.
661062 Bradley Brian Crabtree. Mr. Manning.
Yes, sir. I was reset about 2 weeks ago. One case had been in County Court 15. I believe they're both transferred now. There's
Yes, they are.
Okay, thank you. So there's assault, family violence, and unlawful restraint. I was just awaiting to see if there's an offer from the state. I'm not sure whose cases they are. I know I had emailed back and forth with Ms. Galloway a little bit about them, but
Yeah, those are my cases, Your Honor. We just received the family violence transfer, so I would request 2 weeks so that I can get in contact with the complainant. And Mr. Manning, I did receive your email this morning. So once I'm able to speak with the complainant, I will get you that offer.
right. Yes, ma'am. Sounds
Okay.
good.
Then we'll reset that case for those cases for 2 weeks.
All right. Thank you so much. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You do the same.
Okay, and the next one, Your Honor, I have on page 8. The client is Jorge Cruz. The attorney is Patrick Lamas.
666523 Jorge Cruz, Mr. and 649795. Set for trial 10/18.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I know he has another case, the unlawful carry. I'm not the attorney on that one, but I was able to confer with Mr. Flores last week about these cases.
Apparently, hold on, he's got 3 cases, looks like.
Yes, Your Honor.
Resisting arrest, assault, bodily injury, and unlawful carry.
Yes, and the unlawful carry happened prior to the 2 new ones.
You represent him on the other 2 cases?
I represent him on the last 2 cases, not the first case.
Okay.
The first case, he hired an attorney for the unlawful carry. And I believe that's the one that's set for trial.
Yes, correct.
And who's that attorney?
I don't remember exactly.
I know he has 2 attorneys on that, if I'm not mistaken. I don't
I'm
know.
not sure. I don't remember either at this
That should
point.
be
All right, well, not
Mr.
here.
Volk.
Oh, that's right. David Volk and Mr. Roy.
Whatever. What do you want to do with these 2 cases? Are you going to try to work with them to resolve them, or?
Well, first, I'm trying to resolve them on my side of it, Your Honor. I've been talking to ADA Guillermo Flores about it. There's potential video that may be able to clarify what exactly happened during this incident. He's working on getting that, and he also wants to talk to the complaining witness.
That is correct, Judge. You can give us some time. We requested those videos last week.
You're talking about a body cam from the arresting officer?
Yes, Your Honor. We have the original body camera of it, but the arresting officer, the first one on the scene, didn't record it at the very beginning. I forget what it's called, but the officers made mention that they may be able to recover that video, the part that he didn't. I think it's like standby video that they could request.
Well, sounds like you probably need about 30 days to get all this stuff resolved. That sound good?
Yes, Your
Yes.
Honor, that sounds perfect to me.
Yes, Judge.
All right. Let's reset this for 30 days then. All right. Do you have anything else, Mr. Lamas?
That'd be it, Your Honor. May I be
All right.
excused?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Your Honor,
Yeah.
Dean Espinosa is here for Hector Gonzalez on Carlos Landros. That would be page 6, Your Honor.
Landeros. Okay.
Landeros.
Good
It
afternoon.
says Hector Gonzalez. That doesn't look like Hector Gonzalez.
Thank you, Judge.
Let me formalize it. 656-196 Carlos Landeros.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
I apologize for being late. I was stuck at another hearing and just got off right now. We have sent off an email to the state to confer with them and get an offer from them. So we'll be asking for a reset at this time. The court will grant it.
1 week, 2 weeks.
2 weeks would be better, Your Honor.
All right. And that is granted. 2-week reset.
All right, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
That all you
I
have?
thought he,
That's all I have. Hi, Pat. How are you? You got my email. Thank you so much. All right.
Your
good to
Honor.
see you. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
Matt Strohansky is here, Your Honor, and it would be the bottom of the page with Chavez.
All right. 659-174 Mandy Chavez. Matthew Stohansky. Number, I forgot.
You did. You need to. We can't hear you.
There you
There
go.
you
Hold
go.
on 1 second, Pat. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, how are you?
Oh my God, hello.
It's good to see you. What's going on?
He said, "What's going on?"
They're having all this much fun.
Yeah. You never know what I'm gonna have around here, do you?
Mhm.
Yeah, I can see about from your nose over.
Oh, here we go.
There we
There you
go.
go.
There we are. I have Mandy Chavez.
Well, what are you gonna do with her?
We're gonna try this one, Judge. It's a
Okay.
definite trial case.
Okay, Mr. Strohansky, that would be November 15th, and I will send you the.
Whoa. November 15th. Luch, what happens in November 15th? When does the season start?
Well, I'm starting on November the 4th.
Oh, is that when it starts this year?
Well, this is in New Mexico.
Oh, okay. Excuse me.
But since I have no Achilles tendon, I'm gonna have a hard time getting on a horse.
Oh, man. Sorry to hear that.
Yeah, well, so am I.
Who's
In
going
2
with
months, my brother.
you? Meter's not going?
He has his own place to hunt his own deer.
Oh, okay.
Can't afford to go to Meters.
Okay.
All
But
right,
so-
we will send you the
November
reset.
15th?
Yes,
Mr. Stolhansky, I called you and left you a voicemail on Friday. This is ADA Galloway. If you could
Yes,
get
ma'am.
back to me,
I will
Um,
certainly do that. Can you give your number? I'll call you right now.
it's 210. Well, I have your number. I'll call you when we finish.
508-1567 number? A cell. Everybody's got that.
I think she said she'll call you when she gets good and ready.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah,
when
that's.
she finishes-
I have your
when she
cell,
finishes
so
this docket.
I'll
Thank
call
you, boss.
you.
Good seeing you, Lucian.
Yeah, good to be seen. Same here. Likewise.
Take care.
I will do my best. You do the same.
Bye, Pat.
fine. Be careful. Take
Nice to see you, Mr. Stohansky, the real Mr. Stohansky.
He said, nice to see you too, Dad.
Nice to see you, guy. You behave yourself now.
You're asking too much.
Oh, okay, well, I understand.
All right.
Thanks, Pat, Matt.
You bet.
Good to see
All right.
you. Take care.
Okay, Your Honor, on page 7, we have Oscar Hernandez.
What
with,
page?
7
Okay.
with Albanus. Arevalo,
Unless, yeah.
yeah, that one.
661-967, Albanus Arevalo Ramos,
Ramos, yeah.
Oscar Hernandez.
Excellent spelling bee, Judge. Judge, I've got an issue, not with the state, not with the court. The state has offered PTD. He's only a Spanish speaker. He's got an English speaking girlfriend that I've communicated with in the past, but I cannot get either one of them to return my text messages or calls to have them fill out the PTD program application. I mean, I keep throwing my arms in the air. This is like the second time I've come back to one of these 2 p.m. afternoon
Yeah.
settings.
Yeah. And I know you waited last week because you asked him to sign in and he never did. I remember.
And I don't want to harm the guy. I mean, he's one of those that needs the PTD. You know, he's got other issues. But I wish there was a way we could make him show up in person or something.
Well, I mean, I'm just going to make a leap here. If you talk to an immigration attorney, I'm assuming that that's his other issues.
That is the other issue. I'm sure. I don't know because he hasn't responded back to me. As of 3 weeks ago, the phone number that he had, he told me that a child now had it and he would get back to me. Therefore, I've been communicating through not only his number, but a combo text with the English speaking girlfriend. And, and then, they do respond to say, okay, what time Zoom or what time's court? But as far I keep, even through this weekend, I text, am I ever going to get the information for the PTD? And it's just radio silence. So I do not know if he's physically gone to speak to somebody, but I know the ramifications that are potential out there if the state withdraws this PTD offer.
Well,
That you don't want an active warrant.
I don't want it that.
I know that, but if you're not getting any contact
I
with them.
want the judge to let me off the case. How's that?
well, here's what I propose. We're going to reset this case for 1 week, and you need to tell this client that if he doesn't get out from underneath whatever he's doing, then there will be a warrant issued, and all of his hopes and dreams are going to be dashed. If not, because, the tools that I have available to me, half of them have disappeared because of Zoom and because of the fact that people aren't showing up to court and so forth. So
exactly.
There's only so much that, this case, how old is this case now? We're in the 666s now. So
It's fairly new, Your Honor.
it's at least 6 months old, isn't it?
No, I wouldn't even say that it's 6 months, maybe July.
Really?
Yeah.
You're going through that many cases? Wow. Okay, well, I'll tell you what, we're going to do 2 weeks and then let him know that, if he doesn't get off the pot, so to speak, there will be a warrant issued for his arrest, which will make him a fugitive, which will make him seriously complicating his other issues.
I understand.
Tell me it's just like the visiting judge that has no mercy did
it. Good to see you, Judge.
Thank you. Good to see you too. Good
Yeah.
luck.
If you go back to page 6, we have Charles Mathia. We also have Jocelyn Andrews and Ron Zimmerman on those pages. So we can finish those. Those are 230s.
Tell me which one I start with.
You will start with Daniel Dina.
Dana. All right. 656-179, Daniel Anthony Dana. Charles Mize.
Amaze, Your Honor. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon.
Yes, on Mr. Daniel Dana. I've been in contact with him for some reason or another, Judge. I sent him the information and he was supposed to be on and I don't think
He
he's
did
on.
come in and I excused him.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm sorry, Judge. So,
You know he doesn't have to show up.
no, I did not know that, Judge. I'm sorry. Because I wasn't paying attention.
Apparently, Judge Christian has said nobody, the clients don't have to show up for these dockets. These
Okay.
dockets.
All right. Yeah, Judge, may I speak with the district attorney real fast, Judge?
We don't apparently have that ability right now. We
Okay,
don't do those,
so,
I don't know what they call them, rooms.
right.
We do
Breakout.
breakout rooms, but it would be late after we're finished with the docket.
Okay.
Want to
Well-
wait for another 15, 20 minutes?
Or I can get with Guillermo or one of the
Okay.
prosecutors. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Thank you.
So you guys are trying to work it out?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to reset for 1 week then?
You
Correct.
send me
Yes.
an email. Yes, we can confirm.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, if Mr. Mays sends me an email, Judge, we'll be able to confirm.
Okay, all right, we'll reset it for 1 week.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. All right, who am I calling next?
Jocelyn Andrews with David De La Fuente.
All right, this is 658-065, David De La Fuente, Jocelyn Andrews. How are you?
I'm wonderful, Judge. How are you?
Well, you're not moving your lips or anything, but I picture.
I can try and do that, Judge. You're asking for a lot. How about that? I just went to get some new glasses, so I'm still in the truck.
Oh, okay, don't worry. Apparently you have your client has 2 cases?
Yes, he has a
Okay.
DWI and a UCW. And I thought I heard you tell Mr. Mays that there were no prosecutors available at the moment because we don't have an offer or anything. So we just need a
All right,
reset
well,
so we can talk to him.
all right, you got 2 cases, let's give you 2 weeks. Hopefully you'll be able to resolve it by then. There's that picture
Okay.
again. All right, you have anything else?
I was looking at my calendar. Pat, you're going to send me that new date?
Yes, I will send you the new date.
All righty. Thank you.
All right, is that all you got?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right, well, good luck
Have a
with the
great day.
glasses.
Thank you.
All right.
Your Honor, the next one would be Ron Zimmerman with Jacob Lopez.
All right, that's number 658-446. Mr. Zimmerman,
Yes, Judge.
how are you?
Hanging in there for a late Tuesday afternoon. Feels like Monday. Judge, I have been in contact with Mr. Lopez. I talked to him yesterday. I have been somewhat in contact with the district attorney's office. We're about an inch away from making an obstruction deal, but I need to confirm one little nagging detail on our obstruction offer, Judge. And other than that, then I think we could probably be able to get this thing set for a plea.
So 2 weeks?
2
Reset?
weeks.
Your Honor? A week?
What? 1
Okay.
week?
Your Honor? Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
If we should goes to a plea.
all right. 1
Yeah,
week.
I'll be able to review it and get back to him in 1 week.
Yes, actually, Ms. Galloway, I've left a few messages on the phone answering machine or phone voice mailbox associated with your office, but I assume that.
Yeah, I received your
busy all day.
voicemail this
Oh, you did?
morning.
Oh.
Yeah, but I've been busy, so I'll get
Yeah.
back to you.
Okay, yeah, if you'd like, just give me a call this afternoon and we can get this thing ironed out.
Okay.
Sounds perfect. 1 week reset.
Okay, 1 week. Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, on
Yes.
page 8, Andrew Priest, and it's 666630, Natalie Torres.
All right, so that's the case. What do we have, Mr. Priest?
Judge, I have had contact with my client. I need an offer from the state. I was hoping they could review it for pretrial diversion.
Okay. So if we reset this case for a week, then if you're gonna do pretrial diversion, you get 30 days. So would a week be enough time for one of the prosecutors to make that kind of actually, somebody else makes those determinations, don't they?
Your Honor, we would have to review it and make the recommendation, and then from that point, it would be screened by the pretrial diversion staff.
Okay.
So
Before
I
we
think
can put in the application, Judge, we need approval from
Right.
one of the court's prosecutors.
Okay, so how much time do you need, Megan?
1 week, 1 week would be fine, Your Honor.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Well, then we'll reset it for 1 week and hopefully you'll get what you're looking for.
Great. Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, on this page, Isidro Montoya with Jose Moyeta.
I didn't hear the page number.
The page would be 9, the first one on the page, Your Honor, with Isidro Montoya, Jose
Okay.
Moyeta.
666-889, Jose Moyeda.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. This is Isidro Montoya. How are you, Judge?
I'm well.
Good,
Thank
good,
you.
Your Honor. Judge, this is my first setting. I never got an appointment order, so I don't have any contact number. I tried to contact the personal bond to get a phone number, but they haven't been able to. I've not been able to contact any of them at that office. So I probably need some time so I can get those additional phone numbers and try to find a way to get an appointment order so I can find out any other numbers I can contact Mr. Moyeda.
Do those appointment letters come from county
It's
clerk's
from the
office?
system. It's generated from the system. Once they've appointed by the system generates that email with the appointment, Your Honor.
And
Right, but where do they come from?
It's generated from the system. So I don't know that once they put their names in, that automatically it is an email is generated that is sent to them with the information.
I just like, does it come from booking? Does it come from pretrial? I mean, I remember getting those letters as well, but well, I
That
mean,
is something I don't know. Now,
And-
Mr.
and-
Montoya,
okay,
I
see,
did
Joe,
give-
do you need like at least a couple of weeks?
Yes, Your Honor. And Ms. Benavides sent me the phone number to the personal bond office, and I haven't been able to reach
okay,
someone that
the
knows
best
the
thing
number.
would be to email her. I think
Okay,
email her because the only phone number I have is her office number and they're not there.
okay, that's why you don't get a
taking
call
it.
back.
But if you get the email, I get more response from pretrial questions when I do the email, okay?
That's no problem. And I can always prepare an appointment order when I take the plea.
Yeah,
So that'll be no problem.
that's not an
Yeah.
issue. We'll fix it. But
Okay. So
Is that all you have?
that's it, Judge. That's the only one, Your Honor.
All right. Well, good luck.
Thank you,
And,
Judge.
I'm inclined to say some things that I probably shouldn't about this whole process these days, but I won't do it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck.
Good luck, Judge. Have a good
Thank
day.
you.
Thank you,
too.
Pat.
thank you. Now, at this point, if Mr. We're just waiting for people. So judge normally waits until about 3:30, 3:45, just in case, Your Honor. And at that point, if no one shows up, then at that point, we close it down.
Okay, well,
I will
I'll do-
send the people who did not show emails titled failure to appear.
well, I'm gonna turn the camera off and sit here in front of this and wait.